Back then when I started a YouTube channel, I didn't want to be in front of the camera, mainly because I was camera shy. On today's video, I'm going to share multiple ways on how to be able to be a YouTuber without showing your face. So please make sure that you stay up until the end so that you can choose any niche that you want to be in. Remember, every niche pays differently mainly because of the RPM. RPM is whereby the YouTube or maybe a Google is going to pay you a certain portion amount of money for 1,000 views. So if you are into finance, you are going to get more money compared to someone who is into comedy or maybe into meditation and whatsoever. So when you speak about money, investing, educational purposes, videos are making a lot of cash. So if you are camera shy, make sure that you stay up until the end of this video. But before we continue with this video, I just want to let you know that when you start, you're not going to make money because there are qualifications for you in order to be able to be paid by Google AdSense. So here are the qualifications. You need to have a 1,000 subscribers that you are going to reach. It doesn't matter whether you reach them after 3 years, after 4 years, 5 years, it doesn't matter as long as you've reached it. And also you need to reach a 4,000 watch hour time that you need to reach in or within 12 months period, within a year. So if you not reach that within a year, you're not going to be able to monetize. Or maybe if you are uploading shorts, there is a category whereby there are people who are only uploading short videos. So on that category, you need to reach 10 million views within 365 days, which is a year. So it's either you have 4,000 watch hour time or you have 10 million views on shorts, and then that's 1,000 subscribers. After reaching those qualifications, that's when you are going to be able to apply for monetization. So you are going to apply for monetization, and also you need to wait for maybe 2 weeks to 4 months. That's the period that they are setting, that they are going to send you a PIN code that you are going to use to say that yes, I'm eligible and I'm alive, I'm not a robot and whatsoever. So when you enter that PIN, that's when you are going to be able to get your money. Before we continue with this video, I just want to let you know that I'm giving away my first paycheck from YouTube. As you guys can see by the screenshot right over here, we are going to get paid by YouTube. So the first paycheck that I'm going to get, so I'm going to give it away to you. All you need to do is to stay up until the end of the video so that I can be able to let you know how to enter this competition. So now let's go straight to what we are here for. Faceless YouTube channels that can make you money. So number one that you need to do is to educational that I'm going to speak about, which is Whiteboard. Whiteboard are very educational, and I have a video whereby I was doing a whiteboard content whereby I was teaching how to trade forex, how to trade smart money concept to be specific. So if you want to watch that video, please make sure that you hit the link right over here or go to the description below and check that link on the description to watch that video. So the white video, you don't have to show yourself, you just have to show your fingers. I don't think maybe you are camera shy to show your fingers. Your fingers doesn't matter, it's not your identity at all. So all you need to do is to show your fingers, because you are going to demonstrate by writing down below whatever that you are teaching people. So whiteboard content is very informative. Some people prefer to being taught on YouTube. So whatever that you are teaching, buy a whiteboard. It's not that expensive. A small whiteboard, it costs around 50 rands, and also the bigger one, I don't know the measurement, but maybe the medium one, the bigger one, it's around 100 to 300 rand. So you need to buy that in order to teach other people. You don't have to show your face, you just have to show your fingers. I don't think maybe you are shy to show your fingers. There are a lot of YouTube channels that are doing the very same thing by just showing their hands and teaching other people, and mainly because it's a teaching content, they are making a lot of money. And remember, in YouTube, you don't just make money out of AdSense and also sponsorships, but we are not going to talk about sponsorship on this video. We're just going to speak about AdSense. So you are going to make a lot of money because it's a teaching content. Number two, Faceless YouTube channel that you can give it a try is to review or unboxing anything. It could be a tag or whatsoever, it doesn't matter. But as long as you are reviewing and unboxing, again, you're just going to show your fingers, because you are going to hold whatever the product it is to review it and also to unbox it. So whatever you buy, let's say maybe I buy this thing, I'm going to review it and tell people, but not showing my face like I showing myself right now. So you can have a camera that is up there looking down there and also showing your fingers, so you don't have to show your face, you just have to review and showing your fingers. So that's one of the things that people are making a lot of money without showing their face on the camera, by just reviewing and unboxing whatever they are buying. If maybe they are into tech spaces, because tech space is whereby there's a lot of money. Tech companies are willing to put money to advertise their techs, because remember, we are in a generation whereby technology takes over the world. So techs are making a lot of money in this world. So if you have so many tags or you like buying tag, just make sure that you're unboxing them. You don't need to show your face, just show your fingers and unboxing and reviewing them. Number 3 faceless YouTube channel that you can give it a try and make you a lot of money is to make videos on how to. How to is one of the things that, not one of the things, one of the best that people are always searching. How to make money online, how to do research, how to use what, how to. So if you make a video whereby you are teaching people how to make something, it doesn't matter what it is, but people are always searching how to. So it's very simple, you don't have to show your face. All you need to do is to take your computer, screen record your computer and teach people how to. Even if you don't have a computer, you can still be able to make money, because you just have to use your phone. Use your phone and teach people how to use WhatsApp, how to change settings for what, how to. People are always in trouble on making something. Maybe the phone is difficult, how to use iPhone, how to do this and that. So people are going to go to YouTube and search how to. That's where you are going to get a lot of views. So the how to videos are always accumulating a lot of views compared to other videos. So if you go to this niche, you are going to accumulate a lot of views. And also remember, a lot of views can be compared to a lot of money, but then you need to be careful, because 1,000 views is a certain portion amount of money. Not one view is going to give you money, so you need to be careful when it comes to that. So how to videos are making a killing in this YouTube industry. So all you need to do is to pick a specific niche that you are going to focus on, and then teach people how to do certain things around that niche. On number 4, we have gaming channel. Gaming is one of the best way that you can be able to monetize yourself while playing games. Remember, if you like to play games, like maybe you have a PS, even on your phone, it doesn't matter that you have a PS5, PS4, it doesn't matter. Whatever the case may be, if you are playing games, you can be able to make money out of it. You just have to screen record and then not showing your face. I know there's a lot of people who want a humor around it, but there are people who just wanna look at the videos while playing, not seeing your face. They just wanna watch you play, not actually seeing your face. So you just have to pick whatever that you like to play and then make a series whereby you are challenging yourself to finish the game. So maybe you are playing a Mustafa, you doesn't need to show yourself, or maybe you just have to commentate. So all you need to do is to commentate. I'm pretty sure that you don't mind to commentate. You are not maybe shy when it comes to your voice. You can let people hear your voice without seeing your face. So all you need to do is to commentate to make it more interesting while you are playing it. So playing games is one of the best things. Maybe you are playing FIFA, you need to be a commentator while playing that. Hey, I scored, play this, how to do this, how to do that while you are playing. So there are people who like to see those kind of videos whereby people are playing games. Maybe they can't reach a certain stage, they want tips on how to be able to reach that stage. So that's where you coming from. They are going to search how to reach this certain stage, the tricks and tips. That's when you are going to teach people while playing that you need to do this, go this way, go this way, go this way, check this, and be able to reach that stage. So you can be able to make money by just playing games on YouTube. On number 5, we have compilation of videos. All you need to do is to take a bunch of content from TikTok and make it a one video and put it on YouTube. You can be able to make money out of that. For example, there are tons of challenges that are always happening on TikTok. All you need to do is to take those kind of videos, compile them together, and then make one video to upload it on YouTube. For example, Jwalabam is the current trend that is happening right now. There are tons of celebrities that are jumping on Jwalabam. So you can rename that video celebrities who are trying Jwalabam, and then take all the videos, Bontle Modiselle, Robot Boy, anyone who was doing the challenge who is a celebrity. You compile those videos and make it one video to post it on YouTube. But here's the tricky one when it comes to that kind of a challenge. So the music challenges are not going to work. Forget about, I know I made an example about it, but forget about it, mainly because of the copyright. The YouTube is going to recognize the video or maybe the music on that video and then give you a copyright strike, and then you are not going to be able to monetize your videos. So for a better example that I can give you right now is to take challenges like flipping bottles. Flipping bottles, there's no music. There are people who just flipping the bottle to do whatever task that they are doing. So there are tons of content like that whereby people are doing these challenges. They flip challenges, and while eating or eating challenge or whatever the challenge may be, that doesn't contain a music, because if it contains music, YouTube is going to do a copyright strike on that video, and you are not going to be able to monetize this video. So take a bunch of content whereby there's a trend on it and be able to make money out of without showing your face, but showing other people's face. So there are YouTube channels that are making a lot of money by just compiling these challenges, this trend, and you are going to go to YouTube to watch those challenges, because if you go to TikTok, they are scattered. But if you go to YouTube and search it, there's someone who compiled all those TikTok videos to one thing, and then you are going to be able to watch it. So you can do the very same thing by compiling videos and make a lot of money in YouTube. Before I reveal number 6, please let's take this 3 seconds to just hit the subscribe down below. Thank you. So let's continue. On number 6, we have a sports highlights. So me personally, I don't like to always watch soccer all the time. All I do is to go to YouTube and then search maybe Kaizer Chiefs it's a Sundowns highlight. Then there's a highlights that are going to appear, and then watch the highlights, the best moments when it comes to that 90 minutes that they have played. Also, you can be able to make money out of that. So all you need to do is to watch football, even if maybe you don't watch it, but to look for highlights, to look for best moments that was happening around that 90 minutes, the goals that happened, the injuries, the foul, the best moments, the dribbling skill, whatever the case may be, and take those moments to compile them into one video and upload it on YouTube, so that someone, when you search Kaizer Chiefs or Sundowns or whatsoever, you are able to come across a YouTube channel whereby they are going to watch the highlights. It doesn't have to be the highlights only. You can also take previous games whereby maybe you are making best free kicks, and take the best free kicks that was happening previously to compile them to make it a one video. So there is someone who's going to come to watch best free kicks, maybe best goals of the year, best whatever the case may be. So all you need to do is to compile those moments and then make it one video to upload it as a highlights on YouTube. So sports highlights can be able to make money, and this kind of videos are getting tons of views, mainly because there is a lot of people who are searching this kind of content. Now let me tell you how to enter this competition. All you need to do is to become a subscriber, and then thereafter comment down below. It doesn't matter what you comment, but comment down below. And then thereafter go to Instagram and follow my personal account, which is Typical Tycoon, and then follow my business account, which is the Hustler Club. So I will be choosing randomly to everyone who have done all the qualification to become a competitor in this competition. So I will be giving away my first paycheck. It doesn't matter whether it will be 5,000, 10,000, I don't know, but the first paycheck is going to you guys. And thank you very much for supporting me. So if you watch this video up until the end like this, shout out to you. I really appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. And also please make sure that you comment what kind of a videos or what kind of a side hustle that you are going to try, or a faceless YouTube channel that you are going to try. And also please don't forget to like this video. Let's give this video maybe 500 likes. I will highly appreciate that. So now there's a video on this screen, so make sure that you watch this video on the screen right over here. I am just going to catch you right over there. So see each other on this video.